Stand up. Turn around.
Nope. No. You're not doing this. I just bought a vehicle. No, you're not. No. Hey,
You think I'm playing with you?
Enforce the law. Enforce the law. I just bought a truck.
Keep screaming at me.
I'm not drunk, and I'm telling you, you're eating a sandwich, and you're not doing your job properly.
Stand up.
Nope.
Stand up.
No.
I'm only going to tell you one more time.
Nope. Not
All
resisting.
All right.
Hey. I'm not resisting. Hey, I'm not resisting. Stop it, man.
Give me your hand.
I just bought a vehicle. I just bought a vehicle. Don't do this, man. I just bought a vehicle. Do not do this, Al. Don't do this, Al. Don't do this. I just bought a vehicle. Don't do this, Al.
Think I'm playing with you?
I just bought a vehicle, Al. I'm sitting here, man. I'm sitting here. Stop fucking me up, man. I just bought a vehicle, man. I just bought a vehicle. I just bought a vehicle, man.
Give me
I
your
am
hand.
not.
Give
I'm
me
not even drunk, bro.
I don't care.
Well, then what pick up somebody else? Al, please do it. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, Al, please. I'm begging you, man, please.
Give me your other hand.
I'm going to see my daughter.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Yep. I'm gonna get my bag, bro. I need my... Hey, let me get my bag, man, please.
Keep screaming.
Listen, man, I just bought a car. I'm leaving. I'm going to see my daughter and my grandmother. Have fast. I just bought it. I don't want to shame that. Please, man. Don't do this, Al. Please, I'm begging you, bro. But it's not fair the way you treat us. Please don't help me. My nobody's gonna watch me. Please, Al. Please, Al, don't. Please, you have discretion not to do this. Al.
Get in.
Please, I can't. Please, Al, I'm begging you.
Get in.
I am begging you, Al. I am begging you, man.
Get in.
I just bought.
Get in.
Please let me get my belongings.
Get in.
Please, man. Get
in.
Please, can I at least get my ATM card? Please,
Get
man.
in.
Can I please get my ATM card? These
I
people
will
are
get your stuff.
No, man. I don't want all my property. Please, Al. Come on, man.
You want to scream at me some more?
No, sir. Hey, whoa! I'm not resisting arrest.
Come on, Mike 72. Show me out with 277s. 2 in custody out of Simonton Beach. Put your stomach on the floor, something.
Yes, sir. I ain't trying.
All you had to do.
I'm
Stop
just
screaming
asking
at me.
why.
Stop screaming at me.
I'm just asking why.
I'm out here
retired
trying
from
to
the
do my
state of
job,
Florida.
and you want to scream at me.
I'm retired from the state of Florida.
I don't care where you're retired from. That does not give you
I'm
a right to
Department
talk
of
to me
Environmental
and
Protection.
act like a jackass.
I was just wondering why you're being like that. California, man.
Do not move.
I'm not.
Listen, please, I'm begging you, man. I'm leaving by Friday. I get the car titled in my name on Monday, man. Please.
72, can I get one more,
Please,
please?
Al, please. Please, I'm begging you, man. I'm begging you, please, Al. Please. Please, man. Please, Al. Please, man, please, I'm begging you, please, man. I am trying to go see my daughters and my grandmother. I just bought a vehicle. Al, please. I just bought a vehicle, Al, please. Please, Al. I am begging you, man. I won't say anything, but gosh darn, man. Please. Please, Al, please, man. Please, I just bought a car. I saved up enough money. I just bought a car and I get entitled on money. I have plans. Please, Al. Please, man. Just please, man. I won't say anything anymore to you ever again. And you won't see me after Monday, man. I'm leaving. I'm leaving with my dog. Please, man. Please, I'm begging you. Al, please, man. Please, dude. I haven't done anything. Please. Please, man. Please.
There's a message for you.
Please.
And then I know we kind of already talked over the phone about the incident, but I want to ask you a couple more questions, okay? You don't want to talk to me anymore?
I'm doing my best to get out of the U.S., please. Please. I saved up for months to buy this vehicle. Please help. I'm 100% disabled. Please, man. Help, please. Please, man, please.
Miss King, that's enough.
I'm begging you, man.
You had the opportunity to walk away.
I tried. Listen,
So I got his phone.
I was just sitting there and you walked up and it startled me. Every time I see
a
you.
password or anything. So.
Please, please.
But do you want me to put it into evidence?
Please, man. Please, dude. I'm leaving. Get away.
I just.
Please.
Okay. Oh wait, it just turned back on.
Hey, just leave my stuff. Please, just leave my shit. I don't need it.
That's what I figured.
Because I'm going to have the lady come.
Thank you.
And I'm going to give her my ATM code. And please, man. Please.
Miss King, that's enough.
During the investigation, officers were able to locate the vehicle and spoke to the owner, who happened to be the suspect's mother. She acknowledged that her son took the car to Walmart and provided a phone number for
Miss
William.
King, what's your
He
birthday?
claimed he was just shopping and
What's your
denied
birthday?
touching anyone. Due to the positive
4/13/73.
identification of the suspect and his admission to being in Walmart on
Miss
the day of
King.
the incident, they believed there was probable cause
Miss
for
King,
2
what is
counts
your
of sexual
birthday?
battery. As a result, Lil
Miss
Boone
King,
was
what is
placed
your
on
birthday?
12 months of probation, required to undergo a
4/13/73.
psychosexual evaluation, and assigned 40 hours of community service.
Hey, tell Chad.
What are your thoughts on whether this punishment is sufficient?
Hey, tell
Feel
Chad
free to leave
to
your
take my
comments
bag.
below, and don't
and
forget
get
to
it to
like
bed.
and subscribe for weekly videos.
Just tell Chad to get my bag. He's got bad stuff. Chad, get my bag and keep it. Get it to Benny. Chad, get my bag and get it to Benny.
Come on now, I ain't trying to resist or do anything crazy. I don't do drugs. I don't have anything
I
in
didn't
my
say any of that.
bag.
I didn't say any of that.
I'm not doing
Listen,
nothing,
obviously
man.
you wanted my attention.
Yeah, I did.
Obviously you
and
wanted
I
my
got
attention,
your
so
attention.
now you got it.
Yes, sir.
I'm out here trying to do my job. Wasn't even
Absolutely.
paying attention to you. You did what I asked
I
you to
was
do. You
mad
stayed
about
away from
that.
there. That's all I wanted.
But I
And
was
now you want to yell and scream at me?
I was like, come on. I was doing the same thing that they were doing. And
You
I'm
yelling
like,
and screaming. There was nobody yelling and screaming at you. I didn't yell and scream at you earlier.
But you
I
threatened
was
to take
very
me to
professional
jail.
with
You
you.
don't threaten to
Yeah, I'm
take
going to
them
take you
to
to jail. Disorderly conduct. So stand there.
what am I being disorderly?
Are you kidding me?
Why? But
You got all these people out here and you want to scream and yell. Really? And, come on, man.
Come on now. What, you got another feather in your
Mr. Riley, you're not even on my radar. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you think you are. I'm very specific. I have a few things that I ask you people to do. A few things.
What, us people? Now I understand where you're coming from.
Oh, you want to play that? Oh, this is how you want to play now? That's how you want to go that route? Oh, okay. Okay, you want to go that route? Okay. All right. Put your stomach on the Ford symbol and don't move.
It's hot.
I don't care. You should have put on a shirt before you decided to scream at me. You should have put on a shirt before you decided to scream at me. You're not now. Now, because your name goes.
What?
You're not screaming now.
Stop. Come on now. I'm not drunk
Where's
or
the attitude?
nothing. Huh?
Where's the
I
attitude?
don't have an attitude.
You were screaming at me.
Yeah, I was trying to get your attention.
For what?
To let
got
you
my
know
attention.
that there was people over there violating the law.
Okay.
And I was bringing it to your attention that there was people breaking the law over there. And I was like, hey, get them. Because you were going to threaten to take me to jail for sitting over there in my chair. And I said, hey. And I yelled because you were across the parking lot. And I yelled, how? They're breaking the law. Come give them a warning or a ticket. That's all I did. But you guys are... I'm sorry. Do I have to put my belly up against it? Am I okay? Yeah, I'm not doing nothing. I ain't drunk. I'm drunk. I do have my cigarette lighter.
That's all.
There ain't no reason to do that. For a disorderly.
We're on the property.
Okay, get this out of your hand. You have anything else in your pockets? Nothing else at all?
No, I do have a black backpack that's over there, and it's got my ID, my Wells Fargo. I have to put the glasses on. I'll pull myself right out. There is no reason for this now.
Alright, coming back here.
Yes, sir.
You got the spot on in there?
Yes, sir.
We're doing the dog. Doing off camera.